In this video, we're going to be checking out a new pair of headphones that just dropped from one of my favorite companies that I think you guys definitely need to hear about, especially at the price range that they're coming in at, right after this. Where's my intro? What's up, everyone? This is your boy Jeff at JEFE Reviews.
My name is Jeff. It's JEFE, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Like I said before, this week we're gonna be checking out a new pair of headphones from one of my favorite companies. These here are the Bluedio TM or T Monitor. Now these guys are coming in right around 33 bucks, so I'll be leaving links to that right down in the description box below. Now you might be asking yourself, most of these Bluedio headphones are usually coming in, 50, 60, or even higher on the price range. Why are these a bit cheaper? These are not active noise canceling headphones. These are just straight up Bluetooth headphones with some serious sound, but more on that in just a sec. And before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I went ahead and bought these headphones using my own money for the purposes of this review. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, usually this is the part of the video where I go into the different angle, we go overhead and give you the unboxing. Now, this might look a little lazy to you guys, but they seriously didn't put squat in this box. So let me show you guys how this unboxing goes. Pop them open. As you can see, I got them in that dope red and black. So here's what comes with them. A standard USB type A to a type C for charging. You get a folded up user manual that comes in multi-languages. And then you've got the headphones themselves. That's it, nothing else to it. Okay, so let me give you guys my pros and cons on the Bluedio TM or T Monitor. So first up, I really like the fact that they went with Bluetooth 5.0 for the connection standard. So there is no issues with getting them paired up quickly and easily. Not only that, there is zero latency when it comes to sound when you're watching video, whether it be YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, whatever app you might be running. At least in my experience on Android, no problems there. Now second is the sound quality, but it's no less important. The sound quality of these is outstanding. The bass on these, man, I mean, it is pretty freaking serious. Now we're talking headphones here that are under 40 bucks, and the bass is there, the mids are there, the highs are there, and I mean volume, man, you pump these up, it is serious, man. I can't even turn these up all the way because it is too loud. It'll hurt my ears. So yeah, you've got some serious volume range with these and some serious sound. I expected no less when it came to sound quality. Now thirdly, I've been using these while I'm going back and forth on the train, going to my doctor's appointments, physical therapy, stuff like that. They haven't given me any issues as far as connection goes, as far as sound quality, battery life, things like that. They have been excellent. Right out of the box, I probably used them. I'd say the first trip was probably around 2 hours solid. The second trip, probably about 3 hours solid, right around there. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if these definitely have that 30-hour battery life. Considering that the T4s had that, the T5s had that, I would not at all be surprised by these having that 30-hour playback time. Now, the next thing I like is the fact that, Bluedio, they're ahead of the game. They're running USB Type-C charging and audio on almost every set of headphones that I've had from them, the T4S, the T5, and these right here, all running Type-C. So I'm just glad that they've sort of stepped forward, said, you know what, let's run this as a standard. Kudos to Bluedio for doing that. I just wish that, some of the other bigger names, well-known brand names, people like that, they should definitely step their game up, get on that Type-C life. Now they're also really comfortable. They're also lighter than the T5 and the T4. You know, they don't have that huge crazy build quality with all the metal and all that stuff on them. They're much lighter. They use plastics and aluminum a little bit more, I would say. But they're very comfortable. You get some good padding right on the headband, doesn't hurt the old bald head. Good cushioning on the ear cups as well. They're also a tighter fit than the T4S and the T5. So, you know, they don't feel like they're gonna fall off your head. Say if, you know, you've got them on and you like bend down to pick something up, they don't feel like they're gonna slip off your head. They have a bit more clamping force against the ears. So yeah, I like them. They were really comfortable, especially for a guy with a massive head like mine. If I'm telling you they're comfortable, they're pretty comfortable. Now, lastly, I also like the fact that they have this customizable EQ, where basically you have to hold both the volume up and volume down at the same time till you hear it beep, and then it'll sort of go silent for a sec, and then the music will come back on and it'll have a different sound to it. Now, this is sort of a double-edged sword, and I'll get to that in just a sec. The three sound curves, you know, one of them is very, very flat. The other one is sort of like more mids, not much bass and not much highs. And then the third, and by far my favorite, is one that's much more V-shaped, where it's got heavy, heavy lows, you know, sort of in the middle on the mid-range, and then some serious, serious highs. When I found that EQ setting on there, I was blown away. Because, you know, I just put them on right out of the box, listened to them, and I was like, okay, these sound cool. You know, I expected a little bit more out of them, but hey, it is what it is. And then I found that EQ setting and I was just, I was blown away. I was like, wow, these freaking rock, man. So that is like my first con against these, is the fact that they should just come preset to one of the, if not that particular setting, to maybe the flat setting, and then, you know, make sure that people know that you need to adjust that in order to get the right sound quality. Because my initial impression, I was not impressed until I changed it. So that's that. Now, secondly, now they weren't designed this way. They aren't noise canceling. So I know some people might see that as a negative. You know, they are only 33 bucks and they have incredible sound quality. So, you know, I don't expect them to be active noise canceling. They do have a good sized ear cup. If your ears are small enough, it can fit inside. So you will get some good noise isolation. And then with the sound quality that these are pumping out and the volume that these are pumping out, you're not gonna hear anything else. So all in all, I'm really feeling these Bluedio TMs. It's a nice backup pair of headphones to have, especially if I'm not looking to have that noise canceling with me. Sort of depends on what I'm doing. So it's a little tough to say. Just for a straight up pair of Bluetooth headphones, no noise canceling, no bells and whistles, just looking for something with some solid sound. These are really tough to beat, especially at 33 bucks. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them on AliExpress, probably find them on some of the other websites, you know, GearBest and some of the other guys, Banggood. I mean, 33 bucks for this type of sound quality. I mean, for let's say under $40 in that category, these are blowing everyone out of the water. These are freaking amazing. And like these, I've got these in the red. They also come in black and they also come in yellow, depending on which way you want to roll with your style. I went with the reds. I wanted them to kind of match these shades. So yeah. So if you're in the market for some solid sound, some good Bluetooth headphones that are comfortable, not looking for noise canceling, and you also want something that's under 40 bucks, do yourself a favor, take a look at the Bluedio TM or T Monitor. You will not be disappointed. Trust me on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this review right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Bluedio T monitors down in the comments section. Are you guys interested in finding a good pair of Bluetooth headphones without noise canceling? Is that something that people still look for? Let me know. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.